Welcome to Solverify, the place where learning becomes simple. If you're struggling with homework, assignment, or doubt in subjects, don't worry, you are in the right place.
Hi, here in this given problem, first of all, we draw a Cartesian space. In this Cartesian space, z-axis is upward to the top of the page, y-axis to the right, and x-axis coming out of the page perpendicularly. In this region, in this space, this is a force vector like this. In three-dimensional geometry, it is making an angle of 54.0 degree with the z-axis. Then if we take its components, one of its component, simply it will be along z-axis. This is the force F. That component will be in magnitude, that will be symbolized as Fz. Then another component, perpendicular component, that will be lying in this xy plane, so we name it Fxy. Then this component Fxy, it is making an angle of 33.0 degree with the x-axis. So now one of the component of this Fxy, that will be along x-axis, symbolized as Fx, and another component will be along y-axis, symbolized as Fy. So starting with the value of this F, which is given as 475 Newton, first of all Fz, that will be given by F cos 54.0 degree, means this is 475 cos 54.0 degree, and it is calculated to be equal to 279.2 Newton. Then another component, rectangular component Fxy, it will be given as F sin 54.0 degree, means this is 475 sin 54.0 degrees, so it is calculated to be equal to 384.3 Newton. So now components of this Fxy, first component along x-axis, that will be Fx is equal to Fxy multiplied by cosine of 33.0 degree, means this is 384.3 multiplied by cosine of 33.0 degree, and it is calculated to be equal to 322.3 Newton. And last Fy, that will be given as Fxy into sine 33.0 degree, means this is 384.3 multiplied by sine 33.0 degree. So finally Fy is calculated to be equal to 209.3 Newton. So these are the three answers for this given problem. Starting from Fx, Fx is 322.3 Newton, Fy 209.3 Newton, and Fz, which we found in the beginning, that was 279.2 Newton. So these three are the answers for this given problem here. Thank you.